Hello everyone, and welcome to a new educational video on common collocations. Collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together, making our speech and writing sound more natural and fluent. Today, we'll explore some of the most common collocations, provide example sentences, and practice using them in context. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these word combinations effectively. Additionally, we've included comprehension questions to help reinforce your learning. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering collocations. The importance of learning common collocations. Fluency and naturalness make speech and writing sound more like a native speaker. Improved comprehension enhances understanding of spoken and written language. Effective communication reduces misunderstandings and clarifies messages. Enhanced vocabulary expands and deepens vocabulary usage. Cultural insight provides insight into cultural norms and usage. Better writing skills improves coherence and quality of writing. Time efficiency speeds up language learning by learning chunks. Reading and listening proficiency aids in quicker, more accurate comprehension. Confidence building boosts confidence in language use. Overview. Create common collocations. Examples: reading stories, interactive questions, matching questions, sentence completion questions, multiple choice questions. Common collocations. Create. Let's begin with set 1 of create collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Create a masterpiece. Create a work of art. Create a painting. Create a password. Create a website. Create a document. Create a product. Create a story. Create an opportunity. Create a solution.
Examples. The artist spent years perfecting his skills to create a masterpiece. Alexa used recycled materials to create a unique work of art. Vincent van Gogh created a painting that became world famous. Make sure to create a password that is strong and secure. Pablo learned coding to create a website for his online business. Please create a document with all the project details. The company aims to create a product that is both sustainable and affordable. The children used their imagination to create a story about talking animals. Volunteering can help you create an opportunity to meet new people. The engineers worked hard to create a solution for the power shortage.
Monica's masterpiece. Monica was a talented artist with a dream to create a masterpiece that would be displayed in galleries worldwide. She started small by practicing every day, using her sketchbook to create a work of art whenever inspiration struck. Over time, she decided to create a painting for a major art competition. Outside of art, Monica was also passionate about technology. She enrolled in a coding course and learned to create a website to showcase her work. She also took online security seriously and made sure to create a password that was strong and secure. Monica's dedication led her to create a product, custom-designed illustrations, which she sold online. Through her storytelling abilities, she was able to create a story behind each of her paintings, making them more valuable to collectors. To keep track of her progress, she decided to create a document that listed her upcoming projects, deadlines, and client requests. This helped her stay organized and efficient in her growing business. One day, a well-known art dealer saw her website and offered her a chance to display her work in a famous gallery. This helped her create an opportunity to reach a wider audience. However, she faced a challenge when some of her paintings were not getting enough attention. Determined to fix the issue, she worked with a mentor to create a solution, a unique marketing strategy that eventually led to her great success.
Matching questions. Match the scenarios with the correct phrases. Create a story. Create a solution. Create a password. Create a masterpiece. Create a website. The young artist worked for months to blank, pouring all her creativity into a single canvas. To ensure security, users should always blank, that is strong and difficult to guess. The new software allows designers to blank without any coding experience. The scientist was determined to blank that could solve the water shortage issue in remote areas. The writer was inspired by her childhood memories and decided to blank about a young girl's adventure.
Let's continue. Let's begin with set 2 of Create Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Create happiness. Create excitement. Create joy. Create tension. Create a peaceful environment. Create a relaxing atmosphere. Create a sense of belonging. Create confusion. Create anxiety. Create fear.
Examples. Small acts of kindness can create happiness in someone's life. The announcement of the concert created excitement among fans. The teacher's encouragement helped create joy in the classroom. The argument between the two leaders created tension in the room. Playing soft music can create a peaceful environment at home. Candles and essential oils help create a relaxing atmosphere in the spa. Team building activities create a sense of belonging among employees. The unclear instructions created confusion among the students. Last-minute changes to the schedule created anxiety for the participants. The dark and abandoned house created fear in the minds of the explorers.
Mario's inspiring classroom. Mario was a high school teacher who loved creating a positive learning environment for his students. Every morning, he would greet them with enthusiasm to create happiness in the classroom. He made learning fun and interactive, which helped create excitement among the students. One of Mario's key strengths was his ability to create a sense of belonging by making sure that every student felt valued and included. Even during stressful exams, he worked to create a peaceful environment by playing soft instrumental music in the background. However, there were times when unexpected situations would create tension between students. If arguments broke out, he would mediate calmly, ensuring that the situation didn't create anxiety for the rest of the class. To help students feel at ease, he often adjusted the classroom setting, dimmed the harsh lights, and played calming nature sounds to create a relaxing atmosphere during study sessions. His students appreciated these small efforts, as they helped them focus better and feel less stressed. During a school event, Mario and his students organized a play. The mysterious storyline and eerie soundtrack managed to create fear in the audience, making the performance even more engaging. But sometimes, miscommunication could create confusion, like when some students forgot their lines. Still, Mario's positive attitude always helped create joy, leaving everyone with great memories.
Sentence completion questions. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks with the correct collocations from the list. Create fear, create confusion, create excitement, create a sense of belonging, create a relaxing atmosphere, create joy, create a document. 1. The company's surprise announcement about new products managed to blank among its customers. 2. Meditation and soft music help blank, making it easier to fall asleep. 3. The sudden change in management policies started to blank among the employees. 4. The festival was designed to blank by bringing people together through music and dance. 5. The teacher's supportive words helped blank in the classroom, making students feel appreciated. 6. The horror movie's eerie music and dark scenes worked perfectly to blank in the audience.
Let's carry on. Let's begin with set 3 of Create Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Create a company. Create a brand. Create a business plan. Create a strategy. Create a campaign. Create a marketing plan. Create a budget. Create a job opportunity. Create demand. Create wealth.
Examples. Eve had a brilliant idea and decided to create a company to sell her products. The entrepreneur worked hard to create a brand that people would trust. Before launching a startup, it's crucial to create a business plan. The marketing team had to create a strategy to attract more customers. The charity organization created a campaign to raise awareness about climate change. Every successful business must create a marketing plan to promote its services. To manage finances well, you need to create a budget and stick to it. The new factory will create a job opportunity for hundreds of workers. Offering discounts is a great way to create demand for a new product. Investing wisely can help you create wealth over time.
Molly's eco-fashion empire. Molly was an ambitious entrepreneur who wanted to create a company that focused on eco-friendly fashion. She spent months researching before she could create a business plan to present to investors. Her first step was to create a brand that reflected sustainability and style. She worked with designers and marketing experts to create a marketing plan that would attract environmentally conscious customers. To reach a broader audience, Molly decided to create a campaign highlighting the benefits of sustainable fashion. This strategy helped her create demand for her unique clothing line. As her business grew, she was able to create a job opportunity for young designers and textile workers. To ensure her brand remained competitive, Molly knew she had to create a strategy that balanced cost-effectiveness with ethical sourcing. She partnered with local artisans, promoted slow fashion, and used digital marketing to expand her reach without compromising her values. With careful financial planning, Molly managed to create a budget that ensured her business ran smoothly. Over time, her dedication and hard work helped her create wealth, allowing her to expand her business globally while staying true to her sustainable mission.
Multiple choice questions. Read the sentences and circle the correct one. 1. The entrepreneur worked hard to blank that would be recognized worldwide. A. Create a campaign. B. Create a brand. C. Create a job opportunity. 2. Before launching a startup, it is important to blank to outline goals and strategies. A. Create a business plan. B. Create a budget. C. Create a campaign. 3. The advertising team decided to blank to promote the new product. A. Create a strategy. B. Create a job opportunity. C. Create a campaign. 4. Good financial planning helps individuals blank over time and achieve financial independence. A. Create wealth. B. Create demand. C. Create a business plan. 5. The government aims to blank for young professionals by investing in small businesses. A. Create demand. B. Create a job opportunity. C. Create a strategy. 6. A well-structured financial plan will help individuals blank and manage their expenses efficiently. A. Create a budget. B. Create a business plan. C. Create demand.
Thank you for joining this educational video on common collocations. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use these essential word combinations. Remember, the key to mastering collocations is practice and exposure. Continue to read, listen, and use these collocations in your daily communication. Don't forget to test your understanding by answering the comprehension questions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Keep practicing, and you'll see your language skills improve in no time. Have a great day, and happy learning!